afternoon. Welcome to United Country Walton Railing and Auction Company. We wanted to take this time to inform you of an exciting John Deere farm equipment auction which will be held on March 4th, 2016 at 10:30 a.m. for Nevin and Vicki Demmitt of near Mount Victory, Ohio. This auction will include a John Deere 8300 front wheel assist tractor, a John Deere 1790 16-32 row no-till planter with all the bells and whistles for no-tilling. Also including a 2004 9760 STS combine with 2,700 engine hours and 1,785 separator hours. The full lineup also includes a good lineup of fertilizer equipment, including a 28% applicator with gull folding wings and several other precision items to sell at auction. Again, mark your calendar for March the 4th at 10:30 a.m. and it'll be held right on site, just 2 miles south of Mount Victory to County Road 240 and then east to the auction. Thanks again for enjoying our film, and please stay tuned for the drone film of all this exciting John Deere farm equipment. Hope to see you there. If you would gather around the topper truck here and trailer, I'd like to give you a warm welcome this morning to Nevin and Vicki Demmitt's closeout farm equipment auction. This is the windup for them. He is into retirement. He and I have had a great relationship all the way through this whole event. We've had a little maybe closer relationship than I do with some of my clients, but that's because we take time to spend with a guy when he's giving us his life savings to put out here and sell. My watch, it's auction time. Okay, here we go. What do you got, Derby? Hydraulic hose. All right, here we go. Auction's on. $50 on them hoses. 50. Give 25. $25. $25. Let's go. 10. $10. 10 here. $10. You say 5. 10. 15. $10 there. $15 there. 10. $15. $15. Hydraulic hoses. 10. 15. 15. 20. 20 and 5 there. $30. $30. 25. 30. 25 there, $30 there, you would go 30, bales, 25, 30, so it's 25 the number.
16, 16, 17, I am $1,700, now 18, I'm bid 18, John Deere, 18, stay right on him, and $1,800 down here, look at there, 17, 18, and $1,800 down here, look at there, tarping all boys, hand down here, look at there.
61,000, here we go, and 61,500. And 61,000 there, we're going to go 61 pound, 61.5. So, 61,000. $25 there. $25.10. $10. Come on, boys. $10 and let's go. $10, 10, 15.